Hello, this is Professor Miraskar. I teach Virtual Bio 101 at Brightburn Community College, and I am here with you today to show another lab video. And today's lab exercise we are going to do is osmosis and diffusion. As you can see, for your lab selfies, you're going to need the date. You are going to need your photo ID, so make sure you have that with you. You're always going to need a Sharpie with you. And the distilled water. Okay, so these are basically your prep material that you're always going to need. Make sure you cover the surface with underpad and you have your lab protocol for you to read. So I have opened up the canvas and I am in osmosis diffusion lab page. I am going to read guidelines of the lab prep. I am going to read lab protocol. I'll click on here and it will open up a new window for lab protocol. As you read the lab protocol, you will realize that there are actually two lab activities that you're going to do. Two lab activities, when I say that means there are two actual experiments. Okay, the first activity is about diffusion through dialysis tubing. Okay, now where is the dialysis tubing? What does it look like? In your lab kit, which is this big lab kit that you have, there are lots of things in here. Okay, make sure you open up each packet and see everything. Okay, because you will not find a single thing that says dialysis tubing. So open the packets, take out everything, and when you're going through each and every item, you will find this as dialysis tubing. Okay, so sometimes students panic, oh, I don't have dialysis tubing. Make sure you have opened everything to find that. If you do not have dialysis tubing or any other material that you need to perform this experiment successfully, please contact your instructor. I am sure they'll be happy to help you. Okay, so this is your dialysis tubing. It looks like a plastic paper. Okay, you do not need this whole length. So we are going to cut this small piece into a small piece. About this much length is good. Okay, about a handful, as you can see here. So I'm going to cut it here. As you can see now, I have my scissors. I have told you about this much length is good. So it is about this, or you can use the cylinder that you have in your lab kit, and about the length of the entire height of your cylinder. So cut there. Okay, or it's about a third of the entire tubing. Only this much is what you're going to need. Okay, now we have to activate this tubing. It feels like just a single sheet, but it is actually a tube, so we need to open it up. Okay, in the lab protocol, as you can see, I have given you instructions about how to activate this lab. Watch the video to activate the dialysis tubing. Okay, so please watch that video. Meanwhile, I'm going to activate it using warm water. So I am going to use warm tap water to clean this up, and I'm also going to basically place this in a glass container with water, and I'm going to boil that in the microwave oven. Okay, so I'll see you in about 2 minutes. Okay, hi. So here it is about activating the dialysis tubing. If you remember, we had this whole dialysis tubing which I cut. Okay, and I've taken only a piece. This does not even look like a tube, but I've started activating it. How did I activate it? I just put it in a beaker like this, measuring cup, and I put it in my microwave oven, and I boiled the water with that for about a minute. After a minute, as you can see here, can you come a closer? Okay, it has started opening up. Okay, so this basically reminds me of grocery bags that you have to open up. Okay, it's exactly like this. Do you see it's opening up? So this still, it's little bit sticky. We need to get rid of all that sticky substance. So we are going to wash it in this water. The water is very warm, okay, because I boiled this for exactly a minute in the microwave. So make sure when you're handling hot water, you're careful and you do not have little kids or pets around you. Okay, so make sure the whole length of your dialysis tubing needs to be cleaned. Okay, once the whole thing is clean and ready, as you can see, it will become more like this. It will have more wrinkles on it. Okay, it's not straight. Do you see this end? That's more straight. This is wrinkled. You want the whole thing to be wrinkled and clean like that. Okay, so keep on doing that, and once it is all wrinkled up top to bottom, this is ready for your experiment. Okay, bye. This is called dialysis tubing activation.